Most of the time when you are bulking up, you find it very hard for you to eat more food because you are used to eating around 2 to 3 meals per day. For example, I usually eat around 3 meals per day, and in between we have snacking. That is maybe some peanuts or even an apple. You go to your nutritionist, maybe you are looking forward to gain some weight, and he or she tells you to eat more meals, and you don't have the time to cook, and you don't have those specific meals that he's telling you to, that your nutritionist is telling you to cook. Now, we have a very simple recipe for you, which is going to give you more calories, and it's going to be budget friendly, super versatile, because you can add in some more avocados or even some more bananas, peanut butter, milk, or even oats into the recipe for you to gain that weight. So I'm ready for action. So you'll need a blender, which you're going to add in your bananas, avocado, and peanut butter. So I'm going to pick my banana, peel, chop into pieces, and add into the blender. This is how my avocado is looking. So I'm going to scoop out my avocado and transfer into the blender. Add in my peanut butter, a third cup of oats, and milk. Cover my blender and blend until smooth. You're going to add in more than 1 cup of milk, maybe make it 2 cups of milk so that your blender can blend everything until smooth. Mine is ready and it's looking absolutely creamy, delicious, yum. So now I'm going to transfer to my mason jar so that I can enjoy. This is a perfect portion for one. As you can see, my mason jar is full and I have 1 more cup of my smoothie, which I'm going to be enjoying for my breakfast. You can enjoy the smoothie up to 5 times in a day, depending on what goals you are after. There are different variations of liquid calories. That is, you can add in some Greek yogurt, add in eggs, whey, creatine, or even more oats into the recipe. Throw in some almonds, cashew nuts, and make it your own recipe.